To our calculus class. Today our topic is find the limits using the limit laws. Our problem is if the limit f of x equals -7 when x approach to -9, and then come the limit gx equals 9 when the limit when x approach to -9, and then also if the limit k of x equals 8 when x approach to -9, what is the limit of k x of fx minus gx when x approach to -9? So this is our question for the day. So remember, if remember something, is the limit ux equals L, and limit when x approach to a, of course, when the limit of b x when x approach to 8 equals m, then the L and M are real numbers. But then the following statements are true. What are the statements? Okay, what are the statements? So let me write the statements. The statement is number one, limit u of x plus or minus bx when x approach to 8. This is equals limit of ux plus limit b of x, but in this case when x approach to 8, this is equals same thing, L plus or minus m, right? This is a one statement. This is true. The second one, when the limit of u of x b of times of x when x approach to 8, this is equals a limit when x approach to 8 ux minus limit ux when x approach to 8. So here is will be u of x divided by b of x, as should be right here, right, as limit of u of x when x approach to 8 is divided by limit when x approach to 8, of course. So back b divided by b of x, u of x, that is b of x, will be equals L divided by m, right? These two statements are true. Now we are able to find the answer to our problems. Okay, so first step, solve our problem. Okay, you can you know already the limits, the limit of x equals -7 when x approach to -9, and the limit gx equals 9 when x approach to -9, or to the left, or limit when k to the x equals 8 when x approach to -9. Okay, so this is our problem. So since here since each limit exists, because all limit exists, and each limit is infinite, is is finite. Finite de appropriare limit law combined to evaluate the limit should I erase this statement? Should be, what is the appropriate one for the limit? It's limit I write different color. Let's write this one. Limit k of x f of x minus gx. This is the appropriate when x approach to negative 9. So this is the appropriate rule for a problem. Okay, so now the limit law here, the limit law for subtraction. All right, so should be equals here, should be equals limit. All right, we will limit k of x and then f of x, right, minus limit. So here when x approach to negative 9, when x approach to negative 9, right, is a g of x. That's the next step. So now here the limit is a limit law for multiplication. So now it applies for the multiplication. So then it's equals limit k of x times, because now it's multiplication time, limit f of x when x approach to negative 9, when x approach to negative 9, 2 is minus limit of gx. All right, so this should be equals, you have the numbers right here. The first is be 8 times negative 7, right, minus 9 is g is right here, gx minus 9. All right, so now simplify here, you simplify here, you will have 56, 8 times 7 is negative 56 minus 9. So the answer is equals here negative 65, right? So the limit is negative 65. The limit is negative 65. All right, this is our answer, correct?